Ever wondered which iPhone 17 Pro Max case can survive daily drops and still feel premium in your hand? Today, we're unboxing and testing some of the most talked about cases on the market, from ultra-slim luxury options to rugged all-in-one protection, and comparing them side by side so you'll know exactly which one deserves your money. All the links are in the description. You'll see the textures, the colors, how they feel in hand, and which ones truly enhance the iPhone experience. Let's dive in and start unboxing. 1. Pitaka iPhone 17 Pro Max case. Opening the Pitaka box, the first thing you notice is how incredibly light it feels in your hands. The 600D aramid fiber weave in black/gray twill looks and feels premium, and there's zero plastic smell, just a refined, subtle texture. Sliding your iPhone into it is almost effortless, and the snug fit reassures you that it's going to stay put without adding bulk. The camera control button is integrated so smoothly into the weave that it almost disappears visually, yet it responds nicely when you tap or slide. Using MagSafe accessories feels precise. The magnets align perfectly without you fiddling around. Compared to unboxing something like Thin-Born's ultra-thin cases, Pitaka feels more polished and deliberate. The edges are chamfered beautifully, and minor fingerprints or scratches barely show on the twill finish. For daily use, it's ideal if you want a minimalist, high-end case that protects against scratches and minor bumps. It doesn't handle heavy drops like a rugged case, but for one-handed comfort and style, it's a joy to use straight out of the box. 2. i-Blason Aries for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Unboxing the i-Blason Aries feels like preparing for battle. The packaging emphasizes protection, and inside you get the full-body case with a pre-installed 9H tempered glass screen protector. The heft of the case is noticeable right away. This is not slim, but it screams durability. Sliding the iPhone in, you immediately feel the reinforced corners, and the buttons are responsive even through the protective shell. The built-in stand is tucked neatly and unfolds smoothly for hands-free use, though it adds to the bulk. MagSafe compatibility is claimed, but because of the thick layers and the glass, alignment feels slightly more deliberate than Pitaka. If you drop phones often, work outdoors, or just want a case that feels like armor straight out of the box, this one delivers. Compared to UAG or SUP case, the Aries packs more features in a single package, but it's bulkier and heavier. This unboxing makes it clear you're getting serious protection with extras like the stand and glass at the cost of pocketability. 3. ESR CyberTough magnetic case. The ESR CyberTough comes in a sleek, no-nonsense box, and when you hold it, you notice it's robust without feeling absurdly heavy. The 3-layer construction, hard outer shell, soft TPU inner layer, and reinforced corners gives the iPhone a secure feeling the moment you slide it in. The built-in stash stand folds out easily, giving both portrait and landscape options, which feels more stable than many other built-in stands straight out of the box. The magnets for MagSafe are impressively strong, holding wallets and chargers snugly. The camera control cover is well integrated but slightly less tactile than an exposed button. Compared to the i-Blason Aries, ESR feels lighter and more user-friendly while still offering serious drop protection. Pulling it out and handling it, you realize this is a case that balances ruggedness and functionality without overwhelming the phone's design. 4. CASEKOO Pearl Sparkle 360 Spin Magnetic Stand Case. Opening the CASEKOO box, your eyes are immediately drawn to the cosmic orange glitter finish. It's flashy, and yes, it sparkles under light. The 360 demagnetic rotatable stand is easy to locate and locks into place at every 90D increment with satisfying feedback. Sliding your phone in, you notice the TPU core provides a secure fit, while the outer shell feels solid yet stylish. Drop protection is impressive, rated for 17 feet, and the Mag Prime magnets stick confidently. Compared to ESR, it leans much more into fashion-forward design. The ESR is rugged and practical, while CASEKOO is about media, cause, and looks. One-handed use is a bit trickier due to the bulk, and the glitter might wear over time, but straight from unboxing, it's clear this is a case for style-conscious users who don't compromise on a solid stand or drop protection. 5. LISEN 3-pack magnetic shockproof case. Unboxing LISEN's 3-pack gives instant satisfaction for anyone looking for variety and value. You get cosmic orange, space black, and deep blue, all translucent matte, anti-fingerprint TPU cases that slide on easily. The magnetic alignment for MagSafe is spot on thanks to 18 N52 magnets, and the raised edges protect both the screen and camera. Handling each color, you notice how the slim profile keeps the phone pocket-friendly. Compared to Pitaka, it doesn't feel luxurious. And there's no camera control button or stand, but for $14.99 for 3 cases, the value straight out of the package is phenomenal. Perfect for daily drops, casual users, or gifting multiple options to family or friends. 6. BENKS ArmorPro Case. The ArmorPro unboxing feels premium immediately. The DuPont TM600D Kevlar RR fiber has a textured, tactical finish, and combined with the TPU frame, it balances impact protection with a lightweight feel. Sliding in the iPhone, the metal camera frame and independent buttons feel solid and high-end, and the built-in MagSafe ring connects perfectly. The camera control button works seamlessly while preserving lens protection. Compared to Pitaka, ArmorPro offers slightly more robust drop protection, but still maintains a slim, sleek profile. Handling it after unboxing, you feel that this case is designed for users who want style and toughness without bulk. 7. Ringke Onyx. Ringke Onyx comes out of the box looking minimalist but purposeful. Flexible TPU, textured anti-fingerprint sides, and micro-embossed grip feel comfortable instantly. Sliding the phone in, you notice precise cutouts for camera and ports, and MagSafe compatibility is solid. There's no built-in stand or added lens protection, but the lightweight design makes one-handed use effortless. Compared to ESR or i-Blason, it's simpler. But the unboxing reveals a case that's ready to go straight into your pocket without fuss. Perfect for users who want functional, slim protection without bells and whistles. So after unboxing all 7, which one comes out on top? For everyday users who want sleek design, premium feel, and reliable MagSafe performance, Pitaka wins hands down. For rugged all-in-one protection, i-Blason Aries and ESR Cyber Tough are excellent, with ESR edging out for ease of use and stand stability. If you want style with media utility, CASEKOO dazzles, and LISEN offers unbeatable value for budget-friendly protection. Overall, Pitaka combines slimness, elegance, and MagSafe functionality in a way no other case does straight out of the box. Don't forget, all the links are in the description. Hit like if this helps, subscribe for more unboxings and gear breakdowns, and tell me in the comments which case would you grab first.